do is we're going to attach the clip portion of the dog safety belt to his harness. And then this is the clip that goes in the seat belt. Then you can adjust how far and where he goes. And then I've learned that I like the 2 just to reinforce. So in case we do get in an accident, 1 just doesn't automatically, he's got 2 of them that are going to protect them. And then it's fairly simple, and then to release, you just unbuckle the safety restraints, and then you can unbuckle off his harness. Pretty straightforward and simple.